kvöld í Fangfest, haldi árlega. Nú í árið er haldið í Hörpu. Stórtónleikar í kvöld, Guðskus, Ram og fleiri að spila. Tjekkum á stemningum þar. Sjóheitan spilara, Eve-spilara, við ætlum að spyrja nokkrum velvöldum spurningum og segja hvað hann er að segja. So, where are you from?
Chicago.
Chicago. You play Eve?
Yes.
How long have you been playing Eve?
3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Do you like playing Eve?
Sometimes.
Yeah. You played any more MMOs?
No.
Just Eve? Any more video games you play? That's it?
Yeah. No time.
No time.
Between girlfriend and work, there's no other time.
Okay. So what's it? So what's the story with the pineapple?
I play with a group of guys called Clockwork Pineapple. There's about 500 guys in this group, and our logo for the launch is a pineapple.
Okay.
I came here to actually on Monday. I don't have tattoos, don't have spice hair. A little bonus and a pineapple. I'm like, yes, I represent my group.
Yeah, that's cool. So, what's your favorite?
Ananas, yes.
Ananas, yeah, it's the right term. So, what do you like the most about playing?
Most it's the interaction, you know, the fact that you talk with people when you play. So sometimes you actually talk to the people, but you don't play the game.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So it's the community, you know, the fact that you're talking with all these people from all over the U.S. We have one guy in Britain, one guy in France, one guy in Japan, you know, all over the place.
So it's a good community.
Yeah, just talking about, you know, women and problems in the house, kids, you know, everything.
Everything under the sun.
Yeah.
Under the stars, maybe.
Yeah, but then once in a while we'll go out and fly and blow up other ships, and, you know, especially when we're drunk, so,
Yeah.
you know, every once in a while you hear a burp, or, you know, or a fart, or something, you know.
And you know what's going down.
Yeah.
Beer and shit. thanks for your time. And have a nice day, the rest of it.